Thank you, Mr. Speaker Say, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Mr. Speaker Say, Fiji's participation under the PLS was formalized through the signing of an MOU in 2019 as part of the Vuvale Partnership Agreement. Mr. Speaker Say, we acknowledge the continued support from the Australian government together with the states for inviting Fiji to recommence this program again in August last year. Mr. Speaker Say, our Fijian workers are currently working in 3 sectors under the PLS on 3-year contract. These sectors are meat works, hospital and accommodation, and aged care. There are a total of 564 Fijian workers employed in this sector, Mr. Speaker Say. Mr. Speaker Say, in addition to the number of our Fijians currently employed under the PLS, my ministry is also preparing more workers for other upcoming labour mobility programs as follows. Another 88 Fijians under the PLS program are expected to depart next month. 70 Fijian workers are expected to be engaged under the Australian seasonal work program, also departing next month. 71 Fijian seasonal workers under the new seasonal work program is expected to depart next Thursday, 18th February 2021. These are all returning workers, Mr. Speaker Say, as requested by the New Zealand employers. Mr. Speaker Say, as we all are aware of the high demand from Australia for Fijian meat workers under the Pacific Labour Scheme, and following a number of concerns from our local industry, my ministry staffs are finding ways to plug the gap left by some of our experienced workers who went to work under the PLS. This resulted in an expression of interest for basic meat works and other short courses that was advertised late last year as part of my ministry's commitment to reskilling and upskilling some of our workers affected by COVID-19, Mr. Speaker. In trying to address the needs of our local meat industry, Mr. Speaker Say, my ministry partnered with NTPC and FNU and have conducted 2 training sessions in this regard. Mr. Speaker Say, the NTPC is also working closely with the meat industry stakeholders, including the Fiji Meat Industry Board, on the utilization of some of their existing facilities and resources for the practical aspect of the basic training in the meat industry. Mr. Speaker Say, at times when our local industries are facing some challenges, our labour mobility program is a great opportunity for all Fijians to work together and support this pathway to enhancing local skills upon these workers returning home and also supporting our Fijian economy through remittance. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.